Let's create a new security playbook using natural language in the Sentinel playbook generator. This embedded experience creates customized workflow automations that will increase the efficiency of your SOC. We start by giving it a name, and the editing experience starts. Next, we tell the generator, in natural language, what we want the playbook to do. In this example, we will create a playbook that handles a high-severity alert with an IAM user entity. The playbook should block the user's login, assign the alert to John, and add comment on the incident. The tool begins by analyzing the existing playbook files. It checks required APIs and verifies integration in the customer environment. It detects that some integrations are missing. It pauses, informs the user, and instructs them to add the missing integrations. Once the user completes this step, the playbook generator rechecks the present integrations and confirms everything is now in place. The playbook generator then generates and presents a detailed implementation plan, including a test plan. The user reviews the plan, can request changes or approves it to continue. After approval, it starts implementation. It writes the full playbook script and immediately runs validation to ensure the script is compliant. It also generates mock test configuration files and then runs them to verify the playbook runs correctly. Finally, it creates the playbook documentation. Once everything is ready, the generator presents an implementation summary and asks the user to review and approve the generated files. After approval, the generator asks the user to provide an alert ID to perform a real test of playbook execution. The playbook generator explains what alert it's expecting for the test. It fetches the alert and displays what will be the expected changes in user environment in this playbook. In this example, user Bob's login profile is expected to be deleted. An alert will be assigned to John, and a new comment will be added to the incident. The user approves, and the playbook execution begins. After the test is completed, the generator shows the execution results. Let's check the environment to see what changed. We see that Bob's login profile was deleted, the alert was reassigned to John, and a new comment was added to the incident. The user finishes the editing session and saves the playbook. And this is how the new playbook generator helps your SOC be even more efficient.